Recently, everyone is looking to have a Scrum Master certification on their resume. But is this certification really suitable for everyone? According with the Scrum Guide, the Scrum Master is accountable for establishing Scrum as defined in the Scrum Guide. They do this by helping everyone to understand Scrum theory and practice, both within the Scrum team and the organization. But how do you want to become a Scrum Master if you don't know about Agile, Scrum, Lean, and many other things that qualify you to have this certification? It's like becoming a cardiologist without finishing a medical school. If you want to become a professional Scrum Master, you need to know in depth all the principles of Agile management. You need to know deeply about the Scrum framework. You need to know some tools that we use with Scrum, and also you need to know about Lean management. Many professionals certified as a Scrum Master are not able to guide their teams correctly and do not collaborate in the adoption of the Agile mindset because they do not have basic knowledge about the Agile management and Lean management. I strongly recommend you that if you are looking to become a Scrum Master professional, that we start with certifications that will strengthen your foundation in Agile management and Lean management.